Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up almost 8%. Today is going up almost 8%, $992. We are almost at the $1,000. Will we break the 1K? We will drop from here? I don't know. We don't need to know. All we have to know is that how to react properly to what Tesla is gonna do next. Now, if you are already my subscriber, remember to click on the like button, right? To support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I firmly believe this content is going to be very helpful to you, okay? So let's talk about Tesla right now. Tesla, in the 1 hour chart, do we see any bearish sign? Do we see any sell sign over here right now at this moment? No, we don't see any bearish structure. Nothing is going on in Tesla that could make me change my mind that Tesla is not bullish because we are in a bull trend, okay? We are doing higher highs, higher lows. We see tops, we see bottoms. All of them are ascending. We see higher highs, higher lows. That's a classic indicator of a bull trend. The moment we see lower highs, lower lows, okay, Tesla is reversing in the 1 hour chart. In the short term, we don't see any bearish structure. Nothing, zero, nada. It's going up amazingly well. I don't see any, we don't have any exhaustion signs right now. Yesterday, I was a little bit worried because Tesla did this gap over here and we feel it, this gap, indicating that this might be an exhaustion gap over here. So, but okay, we did not trigger this shooting star candlestick pattern as well. So yeah, Tesla is doing great right now. We broke the $943, which was the most important resistance in Tesla for the short term. See how intense was the fight around this area over here. I mean, we hit this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 6 times today. It did a short-term bearish reaction over here, but in the end, ultimately, Tesla broke this resistance level, indicating that yes, the momentum is clearly bullish. The bulls won another fight over here and it is going up amazingly well. As a mid-long-term investor, I'm very happy with Tesla right now. However, as a short-term investor, I think it is the moment to consider booking profits just to cash some money over here, and this is it, because I'm afraid that Tesla is a little bit euphoric. But this fear, it doesn't justify because the Nasdaq is doing the exact same movement over here. The Nasdaq is also totally bullish, so it's not Tesla that is crazy. The market is very optimistic right now, so I think we are pretty fine in Tesla as long as we don't see any bearish structure in the 1 hour chart. I will not be convinced that Tesla is going to drop. Now, in the daily chart, the situation is even better. Let's talk about the daily chart. After we talk about our trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. If you want to be a swing trader, if you want to beat the market with me, consider subscribing at my trading newsletter. It is the only newsletter around that publishes its results. All my results are totally public. You may just click here to check this public document and you may see every single one of my past trades. Every single one of my trades are all here, okay? Every single one of them. So you're not gonna find that kind of service that easily on the internet. So seriously, I recommend subscribing at my trading newsletter in order to beat the market consistently with a very solid trading methodology. What's more, 7 days trial, you have nothing to lose, only to win. Now, Tesla in the daily chart, I think that's fantastic. That's simply fantastic. What we see here in Tesla, for the first time since November, when it started dropping, when Elon started selling his shares, for the first time we see this. We see a bullish pivot point. We see a bullish structure. That's the first bullish structure since November. So this is not something to be dismissed that easily. I firmly believe Tesla is reversing in the midterm, and as I told you guys, this is not a secret, 11.15. That's my personal target in Tesla for the midterm. I firmly believe we're gonna hit there. The problem is, I don't know how or when we're gonna hit that point. I mean, as far as I know, Tesla could, okay, it did trigger this pivot point, but it could drop all the way down to $890 again. And this would not ruin the bull trend at all. The bias would still be 100% bullish and we could hit the 11.15. Or maybe we could, I don't know, do more sideways movement, erratic movements over here in this area before we can hit there. Maybe it's going to take a few weeks, maybe it's going to take a few months, maybe Tesla is going to hit that point in one single bullish leg from here, right? It's gonna do this, okay? Maybe. That's a possibility. I'm not counting too much on this, but it is a possibility to keep in mind. So my target is right now 11.15. We hit our target at 920. That's fine. That was our short-term target. Now our mid-term target is 11.15. Now, if you're out of Tesla, is this a good time to buy? I don't think so, because the risk-reward ratio makes no sense to me. I mean, if you buy right here, where would be your stop loss? It's going to be under today's low. If that's the case, the risk-reward ratio is not that good, considering your target is 11.15. So, in my humble opinion, I rather prefer to wait for a pullback before we can buy again than buying over here and taking my chances of seeing a pullback in the next few days. So, I rather prefer to calmly wait for another opportunity. I can't possibly guarantee any performance to you guys over here, but I can guarantee to you that Tesla will give us another opportunity. That's a fact. Tesla will always be here, will always give us more and more opportunities to buy, to trade, either for the short or mid-term. And if you are a long-term investor, there's absolutely nothing to worry in Tesla. When we analyze the weekly chart, look at this. We did a fantastic bullish engulfing last week, which was triggered this week. We are trading above the 21 exponential moving average again for the first time since January 18. So yes, it seems the situation is looking very, very good for Tesla. What's more, in the weekly chart, the trend is also clearly bullish. We see higher highs, higher lows all around. Now, 11.15 is our target, and my friends, if this video helped you, remember to click on the like button and subscribe, because I do daily videos in Tesla. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this every single day. I am here to record my videos, to share my insights, and I hope I can contribute to you as a trader, as an investor. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.